Hey everybody, it's your girl CC Fox, and we're doing the unboxing of this month's Boxy Charm. So excited to share all of these goodies with you. I love this card that they tell you all about everything. The first thing up, we're talking about Glam Glow. Ooh, this seems great. Youth Mud is what it's called. Ooh, and it says, hello, sexy. I love that. Already making you feel good. Look how fun that looks in there. Ooh, kind of a big box for all this, but let's see what this is about. Okay, so this Youth Mud exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock. Oh, yes. Okay. That smells so good. Reminds me of a facial salon session. This is so cool. Yes, fun. It's a nice size too. Oh, I can't wait to use this. You can tell that that's going to exfoliate good. All right, leave up to 10 minutes. I cannot wait to use this. I'll probably put it in the shower so that way, part of the whole system. I like it. I can't tell you what this reminds me of the smell of, but it makes me remember something half-caked. Ooh, Best Friends Forever Duo Fiber Brush Set. Okay, we'll have you glowing, it says. All right, in bloom. It says me and you. And then it has a brush. Ooh. Look at that brush. Cool. Okay, let's see the color there. Ooh, that color. Ooh, that's perfect. What a good color. That seems like it'll fit everybody. In bloom, half-caked. I love that. Let's see what it says. It says, meet your blush best friends forever. Get intense pigment with a matte finish. I like that. It says it has sensitive skin in mind, so that's good. So Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. Okay, so this is a primer. It has hyaluronic acid, a bunch of vitamins for all skin types. Okay, so a primer. I've got to try it to know how that one's going to work, but that is fantastic. Let's see what's next. Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Sticks. Pinky Rose. I've heard of these somewhere before. Okay, makeup sticks. They say you can use it all over, right? Let's see. It said cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on eyelids as eyeshadow or a primer, and can also be used on bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Oh, yes. This one's kind of like, okay, it's like a matte color. So I can see how you can like get your eyeshadow ready with this. So that way it's all one color. And then you can use it on your brow bone. This one's called Hip Hop and they have musical notes. That's so fun. And this one is called Jazz. Musical notes. And this one's more of a bronze color. Ooh, this will be super easy to have in your purse. You know, even both of them. Have them just for one of those days that you're rushing out the door. Put your moisturizer. Put this inner corner. Bam, bam. Brow bone. Bam, bam. Put this one on the bottom line. Maybe a little bit on the lid. Have a little bit of eyeshadow. Perfect. I love that. Comes in this cute little package. And then we have this one. It's called Real Her No Filter. This is a lipstick. And what it says about this one is over time, encapsulated water is released from the lipstick. What? For hydration. It has jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. All day hydration. Oh my gosh, that's such a pretty little lipstick. You'll look fancy pulling that one out of your purse, okay? It's called No Filter Moisturizing Lipstick. Oh, it's so pretty. Don't you just love a brand new lipstick? Look at that. Yes. Oh, and that's such a pretty color that it goes with everybody, everything. And that way, this is just one of those ones that, again, you just put that lipstick, get it going. You have these 3 in your purse. I mean, geez, you could have all these in your purse. Bam! Blush, lipstick, eyeshadows, primer, exfoliation. Boxycharm, you did it again. I just love it. Yay! That's this month. Tune in next month. Whoop, 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 whoop.